Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin dominance analysis. We're gonna dive a little bit deeper. What's going on in the market for the crypto, and are the investors tending to hold much more on Bitcoin or are shifting a little bit much more to the altcoins? So as you can see, Bitcoin is still dominating the market. It's still around the 61 62%, I would say even, and still looking even for higher. So as you can see right now, we are in an impulse toward the upside where you possibly have 1, 2 here, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5, it's still, of course, impulsive and not invalidated yet, meaning, of course, we are still looking for this next week. Potentially, of course, even for higher in Bitcoin dominance, we might reach, of course, 65%. And that means, of course, that the market is still shifting to hold on Bitcoin more than altcoin. And of course, this will increase the domination for BTC. And that, of course, because of the stability, much more for Bitcoin. As we can see in the analysis live stream today, we saw, of course, some altcoins are shifting also toward the upside. But Bitcoin is still holding a very, very good. I mean, this small bearish market right now that we had, of course, we have a 3 waves toward the downside and not an impulse, meaning, of course, the market is shifting just in 3 waves and, of course, as a short bearish market rather than being impulsive. And that is a big difference, of course, guys. And that, of course, signify a very short market that we can have for this cycle, and we might start to move for higher potentially, yeah, after finishing the wave C. As we know, on this channel, we analyze every single step with Bitcoin, step by step, and we see, of course, that we're still looking, of course, for a little bit lower. 65K is a very potential, even 51K in a bigger, a little bit longer or deeper price for the bear market. However, on the BTC dominance here, and after our also live analysis, you can check it, of course, for today. We did a lot of analysis for the altcoins as well. Of course, it doesn't mean that they cannot move towards the upside as well with Bitcoin, but still Bitcoin having, of course, the lead in the market, yeah. But don't forget as well, since Bitcoin having a lead in the market, that give more confidence, yeah, for the investor to enter still, of course, and hold on the crypto market. It is, of course, to be much more healthier to see Bitcoin, of course, rising up, even knowing that the altcoins are very also interesting. However, we know if Bitcoin moves 1% and altcoin can move anyway 2 or 3% with it, right? And this is where, yeah, well, this is where the balance start, of course, to be created between Bitcoin and the altcoin. Meaning, of course, a higher percentage than 50% for Bitcoin mean a healthy market for the crypto. And I think we are, as I mentioned today in the stream, we are not, of course, in a bearish market. We are in a short term. And this bearish market, short-term bearish market, is sideways, meaning, of course, 3 corrective waves and not impulsive. And yeah, basically, the things are still looking very nice. We are looking here at a triangle, of course, for the dominance A, B, C, D, E. Now, definitely, once we finish this impulse, we're gonna face, of course, a drop down. But this drop down, I believe, is not gonna be very, very sharp, because it might be, of course, inside this triangle, and then moving even for higher again. So basically, we might see, of course, some drop, yeah, later on, but we still, for this next week and the after one, we still need to take the high. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish, of course, and meaning, of course, the crypto market might still face some sideways, and potentially this move toward the downside might start, of course, with the wave C. However, I even doubt that we're gonna see a lot of move toward the downside. I think the things are moving, of course, in a choppy wave, and then moving toward the upside again. Yeah, for the new cycle, the new bull run that it might unfold after our 3 wave short bearish market. So that was it for the Bitcoin dominance. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes. And don't forget, of course, to watch the updates in the live stream. We have a lot of cryptos already analyzed and updated.